Recovering deleted messages on Revolut can be challenging, but there are a few steps you can take to try and retrieve them. Follow these steps to see if you can recover your lost messages. Step 1. Check the app's archive. Open the Revolut app and navigate to your messages. Look for any archived conversations or sections where messages might be stored. Sometimes, messages are not deleted but archived. Step 2. Contact customer support. If you cannot find the messages in the app, reach out to Revolut's customer support. Use the in-app chat feature or their official website to submit a request for assistance in recovering your messages. Step 3. Review email notifications. Check your email associated with your Revolut account. Sometimes, important messages or notifications are sent via email. Search your inbox for any relevant communications from Revolut. Step 4. Check for backups. If you regularly back up your device, check if your last backup includes the Revolut app data. Restoring your device from a backup may help retrieve deleted messages, but be cautious as this may also restore other deleted data. Step 5. Update the app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Revolut app. Sometimes, updates could fix bugs or issues related to message storage. After updating, check your messages again to see if they have reappeared. If these steps do not help, it may not be possible to recover deleted messages. Always consider backing up important conversations in the future to prevent loss.